Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone's OS version and available updates because emoji changes ship with system releases. Once done, back up your data and plug into Wi-Fi to avoid cellular charges. Make sure battery is above 50% or keep the charger connected. Updates can pause if power drops. Next, clear a little storage so the installer has room. This is the first actionable step. Open Settings, go to Software Update or System Update, and check for the latest release. You now download and install the official system update because emoji sets are embedded in OS fonts. Once the download finishes, tap Install and follow on-screen prompts. On Android, you may see vendor-specific confirmations, and on iOS, you'll see Install Now. The phone will reboot multiple times. Do not interrupt this process. While it installs, the system replaces the emoji font so new glyphs display everywhere. Make sure to watch progress. If the update stalls, do not force power off unless instructed. Once installation completes, you should verify the change by opening Messages, Notes, or any app that uses native emoji. If new emoji are absent, make sure the update applied. Check settings for the new build number, and then look for any incremental updates you may have missed. If problems persist, reset network settings and retry the update. Sometimes a pending carrier or manufacturer patch is required. As a last resort, contact the device maker's support. They can confirm rollout timing and provide recovery steps without rooting or unofficial hacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.